Damian Tucker here with DT Motorsports. Got that MTR gear on. Don't forget to check out MTR tires for all your sand tire needs. He also can get you some pretty sweet O-bore tires. Let me show you. Bam, look at those. Yeah, I love running O-bore. We got them on the 200X now as well. All right, so I got some parts in for this. I got the rear fender. I got a number plate I'm going to show you guys in another video. I should be getting the thumb throttle in today. I ordered absolutely everything to finish the Honda. It's been a long time coming. I've just been busy with life. Anyways, let's jump back to this Kawasaki. So how do you fit a YFZ rear end on a KX frame? So I wanted to run the ATV shock so you could mill the body down. I actually just opened this up slightly. So, I mean, I was concerned a little bit about the integrity, you know, taking a little bit off this mount, but I haven't had any issues with doing that. I don't know. I'd say probably the shock would be the better idea. But anyways, that's what I did on my first one. It's a prototype. I got the carb bagged up. I'm doing a full engine rebuild right now. So then I took the swing arm here and I cut it just like I do on the Yamahas. It's got a little bit different sleeves though. So you kind of got to put the sleeve in, then add a spacer on both sides. When you're cutting these swing arms, don't go too far back once you go past a certain point, because I actually got some dead space right here. I welded a new section in there. We've never had an issue with it. It's been like this for a few years. Replaced that chain slider. So we got the 06 to 09 19-inch rear shock in here. It's got a stiffer spring. And then we got the knuckle, the YFZ swing arm, full on rear end with our sprocket spacer set up for chain alignment, which works great. And then I actually made a shorter linkage right here to bring the rear end up to complement these negative rate clamps because I wanted superb handling. So here's the 06 to 09 linkage, the 04, 05 shorter. This custom one, it's called Crater was the brand. Some other brands make them now. It's called a lowering link. So these two are lower than stock, but this hole is actually tighter than stock, which raises it up. So I used that one. Then I built myself a custom link, which is what's on there right now. And it's a half a hole shorter. I mean, roughly a half inch. And that really changed things up. On this guy, I run the 04, 05, which is shorter. I thought about raising the rear up more, but I like it the way it is. You don't want it cradled out like an old 200X or 250R. These new ones have a lot of suspension, a lot of power. You got to ride them a little differently. So, and then the subframe, I took a KFX 450 subframe, and then I chopped the front off, and then I chopped the front off the dirt bike subframe, and then I welded the pieces on. Looks kind of goofy right here because I wanted to leave these on, but I never use these, so I probably would chop it right there and then just straight shot it if I ever did it again. I believe this is the exhaust mount though, so I do use this exhaust mount. Anyways, that's some info on converting the KX. So there you go.